約伯記第11章。
Job chapter 11.
拿敏人所伯回答說：
Then Zophar the Naamathite answered and said,
這許多的言語豈不該回答嗎？多嘴多舌的人豈可稱為義嗎？
Should not the multitude of words be answered? And should a man full of talk be vindicated?
你誇大的話豈能使人不作聲嗎？你戲笑的時候豈沒有人叫你害心嗎？
Should your empty talk make men hold their peace? And when you mock, should no one rebuke you?
你說我的道理純全，我在你眼前潔淨。
For you have said, My doctrine is pure, and I am clean in your eyes.
惟願神說話，願他開口攻擊你。
But oh, that God would speak, and open his lips against you.
並將智慧的奧秘指示你，他有諸般的知識，所以當知道神追討你，比你罪孽該得的還少。
That he would show you the secrets of wisdom, for they would double your prudence. Know therefore that God exacts from you less than your iniquity deserves.
你考察就能測透神嗎？你豈能盡情測透全能者嗎？
Can you search out the deep things of God? Can you find out the limits of the Almighty?
他的智慧高於天，你還能做什麼？深於陰間，你還能知道什麼？
They are higher than heaven. What can you do? Deeper than Sheol. What can you know?
其量比地長，比海寬。
Their measure is longer than the earth and broader than the sea.
他若經過，將人拘禁，招人受審，誰能阻擋他呢？
If he passes by, imprisons and gathers to judgment, then who can hinder him?
他本知道虛妄的人，人的罪孽，他雖不留意，還是無所不見。
For he knows deceitful men. He sees wickedness also. Will he not then consider it?
空虛的人卻毫無知識，人生在世好像野驢的駒子。
For an empty-headed man will be wise, when a wild donkey's coat is born a man.
你若將心安靜，又向主舉手，
If you would prepare your heart, and stretch out your hands toward him,
你手裏若有罪孽，就當遠遠地除掉，也不容非義住在你帳棚之中。
if iniquity were in your hand, and you put it far away, and would not let wickedness dwell in your tents,
那時你必仰起臉來毫無斑點，你也必堅固，無所懼怕。
then surely you could lift up your face without spot. Yes, you could be steadfast and not fear.
你必忘記你的苦楚，就是想起也如流過去的水一樣。
Because you would forget your misery, and remember it as waters that have passed away.
你在世的日子要比正午更明，雖有黑暗，仍像早晨。
And your light would be brighter than noonday. Though you were dark, you would be like the morning.
你因有指望就必穩固，也必四圍巡查，坦然安息。
And you would be secure, because there is hope. Yes, you would dig around you and take your rest in safety.
你躺臥，無人驚嚇，且有許多人向你求恩。
You would also lie down, and no one would make you afraid. Yes, many would court your favor.
但惡人的眼目必要失明，他們無路可逃，他們的指望就是氣絕。
But the eyes of the wicked will fail, and they shall not escape, and their hope loss of life.